and bottles for soap and stuff. So stickers that label what they are. Hand soap and just soap. They're actually plastic, but honestly I don't mind because I have children. The silver nozzles. There's 2 of them. That's the little part that you attach to it. So box in here, but I don't want to put it on the counter. But I got my pink pots in here. Well, I think some pink stuff. I have a bunch of pink stuff, y'all. I'm getting it with my kitchen inspiration. Actually 2 in here. So this comes with the detachable stems or handles, whatever you call it. And they can all be stacked up easily. I like that, space savers.